Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I'm sure many of you have wondered about. Was Isaac Newton British or American? I know, this seems like a pretty straightforward question, but it's actually a bit more complicated than you might think. So, let's get started and find out the answer. Isaac Newton's early life. Isaac Newton was born in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England on December 25, 1642. His father was a yeoman farmer and his mother was a wealthy widow. Newton was a sickly child and was often homeschooled. He was an intelligent and curious boy, and he was fascinated by the natural world. Newton's education. In 1661, Newton went to Trinity College, Cambridge. He was a brilliant student and quickly became interested in mathematics and physics. He was also a member of the Royal Society, a prestigious scientific organization. Newton's discoveries. Newton made many important discoveries in his lifetime, including the laws of motion, the law of universal gravitation, and the calculus. He also invented the reflecting telescope. Newton's legacy. Newton's discoveries had a profound impact on the scientific world. He is considered to be one of the greatest scientists of all time. So, was Newton British or American? Now that we know a little bit more about Isaac Newton, we can answer the question, was he British or American? The answer is that Newton was British. He was born in England and he spent most of his life there. However, he did have some connections to America. In 1705, he was appointed as the Master of the Royal Mint, which was a position that he held for the rest of his life. The Royal Mint was responsible for producing coins for the British Empire, which included the American colonies. So, while Newton was not an American citizen, he did have a connection to America. He was a British scientist who helped to shape the world we live in today. I hope you enjoyed this video about Isaac Newton. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.